Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of DNHU Test. Today I want to talk about an important topic, that is confidence. So what is confidence? What is the importance of confidence in our life? Why should we become a confident person? So without any further delay, let's get into the video. So actually confidence is a vital component in our life which plays a significant role both in our personal and professional. Suppose, just imagine that you want to become a successful person. Actually, we all want to become a successful person, right? In our life. So if you want to become a successful person in your either in your professional life or in your personal life, at first you have to be a confident person. So what is confidence? How we can become a confident person? So here is the answer. Actually, confidence is the stage where a person believes in himself, in his abilities and in his decisions. Okay. If a person who believes in himself and in his abilities, in his decisions, that person is confident. That person is known as a confident person. A confident person can face any circumstances in the life. Actually, in our life, we have to face a lot of problems. Problems means a lot of risks, a lot of obstacles, so on. So if you want to overcome those negative circumstances, risks or obstacles like that, you have to face those. You have to face those risk factors in your life. If you want to face those and to overcome those, at first you have to be a confident person. So to build our confidence level, to build up our confidence level, we have to focus on our strengths and abilities. If you are focusing on your strengths, then you will feel more confident. Just imagine that instead of giving more focus on your strengths, you are giving more. You are focusing more on your weaknesses. Okay, then what will be the result? You will lack your confidence level. Your confidence level will go down. In such a case, in such a situation, you can't face any obstacles that will come. In our throughout life, we have to face a lot of problems in either in our professional or personal life, right? If you are lacking your confidence level, then you could not face any problems in your life. So to become a confident or to become a successful person, you have to face the problems and to overcome those problems. For that, you have to focus on your strengths. And I just want to tell you one more thing, that confidence is not just a silly thing that we can get developed spontaneously. If you want to build up your confidence level, then you have to build your confidence level over a time with experience. Because when you are giving more importance or when you are giving more emphasis on your strengths and in your abilities and your decisions, the more you will become a confident person. When you will become a confident person, that time only you can turn out to be a successful person in your life. Either it is personal life or a professional life. So if you want to become a successful person, you have to be a confident person in your life. So this is what I wanted to share with you all, guys. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Till then, bye.